When you told me that I should come out to the airport and meet your new best friend, I foolishly thought that maybe we were getting a puppy. Clear.
Hello, welcome to episode 8 of Trish and TF, Plain and Simple.
Yes.
We've done this 8 times now.
Technically 9, because we had our 4B episode too.
Yes, the electronic toilet episode.
That was very popular.
I've decided to start doing some flight instructing. It's something I did many years ago, and I've done a little bit here and there over the years. And I've decided that this winter we're going to stick around Hermiston here. Let's travel a little bit less than we have. I'm looking at her for confirmation.
We hadn't really discussed any of this, so this is all news to me.
By the way, I'm going to be doing some flight instructing.
Fantastic! This is exciting. I actually own several airplanes, and I am not licensed to fly any of them.
Why not?
Because there's so many things that I'm not good at. And I try a lot of new things, and I have a variety of hobbies, but there's so many things that I'm just bad at. I think that the stakes are too high with flying an airplane. One of my dreams is to play with the London Symphony Orchestra. I've always thought that would just be amazing. And I do play the violin, and I take lessons, and I take graded exams, and maybe someday I will have that opportunity. But if I play a wrong note, I'll just get fired, and nobody dies. If I fly the airplane wrong, then I could really hurt people.
See, and I feel a little differently about it. The things that you are good at, like organization, list making, accomplishing goals one at a time, you are good at those things. Those lend themselves well to flying and being a pilot. So we're going to go flying in this airplane. It's called the Diamond DA40.
All I really want to know is how to safely land. I think that's really all that they need to teach me.
So we're going to teach you how to land.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to teach her how to fly, we're going to teach her how to land, and we're all coming along for Trish's flight lesson. So we're going to introduce you to the airplane and give you a quick walk around and an overview. We'll strap you in, turn the key, and go flying. Anything else? Are you excited?
Oh, yes.
Can you say that again with more enthusiasm?
Oh, yes. Yes, definitely.
Here we go.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio.
Got my joystick, I'm ready.
Brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Bring the views like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wild ones. Got a little
Stop at about 6.
Oh, shit!
You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how.
My hand's on the joystick.
On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you.
2 years ago, we decided to live debt-free. 4 months ago, we sold our home and committed to living life as simply as possible. Please join us each week on Sunday night as we explore our world, plain and simple.